Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about stocks I bought so far since the peak of the markets. Recently, the market has been very volatile, and I want to take advantage of this opportunity. So since the peak of the market, which is on February 19th, right around here, I've invested $12,457 in US equities, mostly in ETFs and stocks that I feel were undervalued. So if I look at the history with the filter of orders, first stock is VOO, bought at $204.82. Next is AT&T, $218.67. Google, Class A shares, $1,137. Boeing, $417.74. Facebook, $451.68. Some more Boeing shares, $222.85. Boeing, $336.54. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, $448.76. Facebook, $160.53. Visa, $329.49. Boeing, $334.62. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, $466.50. Boeing, $380.31. Tencent, $193.20. More Vanguard ETF, $509.50. 516.34. AT&T, $221.75. Facebook, $363.94. Vanguard S&P 500, $818.79. Baozun, which is a Shopify of China, $217.96. Johnson & Johnson, $137.99. Facebook, $375.40. Vanguard, $841.98. Tencent, $146.34. Facebook, $186.93. AT&T, $170.39. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, $538.40. ATT, $150.87. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, $583.94. Tencent, $148.77. Vanguard S&P 500, $299.27. Vanguard, $306.77. AT&T, $153.95. Tencent, $154.08. Vanguard ETF, $311.04. And that is all. So that's mostly Vanguard ETFs, Tencent, ATT, Facebook, Johnson & Johnson, Baozun, Boeing, Visa, and Google. So that's all for this video. What are you buying? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.